Welcome to the best picks. The best sock helper is probably one of the most underrated gadgets for those with mobility issues. Imagine a world where putting on socks doesn't involve struggling or pain. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sock-assisting devices, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect one to regain your independence and ease your daily routine. Get ready to say goodbye to the sock struggle. Number 5. Vive CAidRE, Easy On and Off Stocking Slider. Introducing the Vive CAidRE. This device makes putting on socks easy. It's perfect for anyone with limited mobility or recovering from an injury. The Sock Assist device helps you slide your socks on effortlessly. The latex-free plastic shell contours to your foot and heel. This makes the process simple and pain-free. The handles are built with comfortable foam padding. This provides a secure grip, making it easy to pull up the sock. It ensures a comfortable experience. The wide cuff prevents the sock from sliding off. It keeps the sock in place while you pull it up. This feature adds extra convenience. The cords are adjustable to your preferred length. Simple adjustments can be made with the button adjusters. This ensures a perfect fit for everyone. Purchase with confidence knowing it comes with a 60-day warranty. It's a risk-free way to improve your daily routine. Get yours today. What we like. This device features comfortable foam grip handles, making it easy to hold. The slip-resistant cuff ensures your sock stays in place. If you have limited hand strength or dexterity, this is a great choice. What people say. This product arrived quickly and it performs as described, makes putting socks on much easier since I have a bad back. It worked as expected, worked great. I was a bit dubious when I bought this bit of kit as someone told me they were useless, but this is a fantastic bit of kit and I couldn't have coped without it following hip replacement. I have a little celebration every time my sock slips into place and I don't have to ask for anyone else's help. An ingenious device. It's easy to use too. Thank you. Number 4. Fanwer CAidRE and Pants Assist. Introducing the Fanwer CAidRE. This device allows you to put on socks independently. Just a few simple steps, and you're ready to go, regaining your freedom. The ergonomic design ensures both comfort and efficiency. The smooth inner layer allows your foot to slide in easily. The outer terry fabric keeps the sock securely in place. Unlike plastic alternatives, this sock helper fits a wider range of foot sizes. It's made from durable materials, ensuring a longer lifespan, making it a reliable choice for everyone. The 33.5-inch extended handle reduces bending strain. It's ideal for those with arthritis, back issues, or recovering from surgery. It provides comfort and convenience. The lightweight design makes it easy to store and carry. Whether at home, traveling, or in rehab, it's always ready to assist you. It enhances the convenience of your daily life. What we like. This product boasts an ergonomic design for comfort and efficiency. It's also designed to fit a wider range of foot sizes. If you are looking for a CAidRE that is easy to use and fits a variety of feet, this is the one for you. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for those of us whose knees don't work anymore. When I first saw it I was skeptical, but I will tell you it works perfectly for putting on socks. All you have to do is put the sock on the end with the 3 prongs, pull all the way up to the open end, then put it on the floor, put your foot into the open end. Using the straps that are connected at the open end, pull onto your leg and the sock slides off onto your foot. However, I discovered it works perfectly. You can use it for any type of sock, from thick woolen ones to thin cotton ones. Once you have put the sock on it, you simply slide your foot in. Pulling on the straps removes the aid from your sock and also brings the sock up over the heel for a perfect fit. Number 3. RMS CAidRE Kit, Easy On Off for Limited Mobility. Introducing the RMS CAidRE Kit, a simple solution for those with limited mobility. This kit makes putting on and taking off socks easier than ever. It's designed to help you regain your independence. The kit includes a Deluxe CAidRE and a sock remover. The CAidRE features a soft, flexible shell, perfect for those with weak hand strength. This makes it easy to insert socks. The Deluxe CAidRE has a foam handle for a comfortable grip. It is designed to help you put on your socks quickly and effortlessly. It is suitable for various sock types. The sock remover is great for taking off regular socks and stockings. Its unique design maximizes leverage, even if you have limited arm strength. This helps you remove socks without bending. This kit is an ideal daily living aid. It's perfect if you have difficulty bending, are recovering from surgery, or have limited mobility. It is smooth and flexible, so socks slide on and off easily. What we like. This kit includes a sock remover, making it easy to take off socks. The soft and flexible shell is easy to use. If you like a complete solution for both putting on and taking off socks, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to use. Cannot reach my own feet due to back issues. These really help get my socks on and off. I love the clear instructions enclosed with the device. I like that my dinky little invisible socklets, my ankle-length socks, and my knee-high non-binding diabetic socks all work on this handy little gadget. It's a game changer to be able to easily put my own socks on. The device is also great for removing the knee-length non-binding diabetic socks. Slide sock over tube. Put tube on end of foot. Pull up sock with cord. Works great. The other item helps remove socks. Number 2. Mars Wellness Deluxe Sock Aid. This sock aid is incredibly easy to use. Simply slip your sock over the plastic form, slide your foot in, and use the cords to pull it up. It's that simple. The foam grip handles are designed for comfort and support. It's light enough to eliminate any strenuous bending or pulling, making it a breeze to use. This product helps reduce the risk of injury to your back, spine, or arms. It eliminates the need for those awkward pulling and stretching motions when putting on socks. This sock aid comfortably works for people of all sizes and shapes. The adjustable cord allows for adjustments to fit most heights, providing a perfect fit for everyone. Mars Wellness stands behind all of their products, allowing you to purchase with confidence. You can trust that this product is designed with your needs in mind. What we like. This product is designed for ease of use. Simply slip your sock over the plastic, slide your foot in and using the cords pull up. It also has comfortable foam grip handles. If you are looking for a device that minimizes strain and is easy to use, you should consider this. What people say. Works as intended. Easy to use, good quality. Great item for putting on socks. Easy and fast. A great help when putting on socks when you have mobility issues. Work well. Number 1. CAidRE Sock Aid, Easy on Easy Off. Introducing the CAidRE Sock Aid, designed to make putting on socks easier. This device is perfect for those who have difficulty bending down. With this sock aid, you can easily put on your socks or stockings without any hassle. It's designed to be user-friendly and efficient. The extended lip and grip pad keep the sock securely in place. This feature ensures a smooth and effortless process. The adjustable cord is designed to fit most heights, providing a customized experience. It's a versatile tool for everyone. The soft foam handles provide an easy and comfortable grip. This design ensures a secure hold while you're using it. The width of the CAidRE sock helper is 4.2, suitable for foot width 3 to 3.9. Please note that this product is not suitable for compression socks, crew socks, or toe socks. What we like. This sock aid has an extended lip and grip pad to keep the sock in place. The adjustable cord could fit most heights. If you like a simple and effective design, this is a great option. What people say. The sock aid allows me to put on my socks while seated in a chair or sitting on the side of my bed. It's easy to use and works for short or long socks. I love this gadget to help put on my compression socks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.